Hi there and welcome to the Moneyman Show. This video I'm going to review the current position of the S&P and what I think the market is going to do in the next few weeks. Last video I talked about the pitchfork kind of trading, and we are going to use it also in this analysis. Last time I did the analysis on the S&P and remembered when I said that when we were here, I said that if the stochastic went lower, then it would be a divergence right here, and then we should have gone lower. However, the stochastic didn't broke, so we continue up, right? And then we test the trend line and we've gone up. Okay. However, as you can see here, we have the divergence. Why? Because this is higher than this, and the stochastic here is higher. So you have a perfect divergence here, and the stochastic is higher and the price is a little lower. So it would be obvious that we should have gone lower like we did. Of course, that here you cannot have a very good entry point because it's a very quick move. However, as you can see, the stochastic is very low. So what should you do here is you go to a smaller time frame. Okay, so for example, a 2-hour time frame. As you can see here, you can see it perfectly. This was the high, this was the second high, stochastic higher here, lower here. As you can see, the divergence here is perfect, and you can enter for a very good trade as soon as it crosses below in this one, and it should have gone lower like it did. Okay, now as I said in the last video, we have a big channel here that it broke down and it tried to regain, and it's flirting with the lower part of the channel. And also, if you do the inside channel, it's in the middle part, but had a big rejection here, right? Okay, if we switch to the weekly chart, then we can see something that is actually very nasty, because and the weekly chart is much more important than the daily chart. Okay, why? As you can see, higher high, stochastic lower. Okay, and so it's almost like a perfect storm to the downside. Why? At least my prediction is we should aim for this level here. If next week we don't eliminate this divergence here, then this is a very good price as a target. Also, for those who follow the candlestick patterns, as you can see, this is a very bearish candlestick right here. Okay, this is called engulfing bearish candlestick. Okay, it takes out the entire previous candle, it opens up and closes down, engulfing the entire movement of last candle, in this case the last week. This is a very bearish setup right here, together with the conjunction of the divergence to the negative side. And you can see just a few examples of an engulfing bearish like this one, and not so powerful, but just like this one or similar. See here, next candle, big downturn. Okay, here almost the same thing, next candle, big one, red. And of course, not to mention that this is happening in the top, so it only makes clear the case of downturn. Here, see, another on the top, an engulfing, not the next candle not red, but then the next 6 candles a big downturn, okay, of the market. And another one, a close to engulfing, it engulfed the body but not the shadows, and down. Okay, so this is a very bearish setup right here, and together with the chart of the trend lines, I think we are going for some correction in the near future here to this part right here. And actually, if this is the case, then we would have the final wave of this small one. Just like I said here, that this wave was weaker, and then we should have a third wave that is much weaker than this one. So it's almost a perfect storm to the downside, at least here. As I said in the previous video, I think this is a big one wave, big second wave, and we will probably have a third wave, but before that we probably will go here. Or now in the economic part, there's the end of the Q2, so and the summer is coming. I'm not sure how the markets are going to react also to the end of the semester and the quarter, but technically this is not looking good for the bulls, okay? And we left the channel, the up channel, so we probably will go a little lower and then try to regain the channel again. What I do know right now is that this, especially in the weekly pattern, it's not nice at all. So I expect some weakness, and the target is around the 123 on the SPY. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email to TheMoneymanShow@gmail.com. Hope you enjoyed it, and be careful.